Hi, I'm Josh. I'm the Canterbury Construction Supervisor here in Christchurch. I've been at Downes for about 12 years now. Yeah, owning the results, I guess, out on the field is all about, leading by example out there with the guys and with the whole team in general. It's not just about yourself owning the results, but it's getting the buy-in from everybody else to see everyone owns that result together, because you're all a team working towards a common goal. So getting buy-in from other people and from the team and individuals, is just basically by involving them. Asking them what their opinions are and what they think about how we should do something, or whether something looks safe to them, or whether something's a good quality job or not, or how to do something to get the best results. We're all a team, and it doesn't really matter if you're the top manager or the middle manager or the supervisor or the foreman. We're all there to achieve the same results, and that's to deliver for our customers and clients. Yeah, well, ultimately we get things done by pulling all the different teams together, all the resources from all over the place and different skill sets, and everyone coming together from all walks of life really, and just utilising the different business units in Downer too, all coming together and putting your heads together basically and making it happen. Ultimately the key word there is teamwork.